then going to send back the information of who I am and what I've printed back to a server. So we can start to monitor the kind of volumes that are going through those devices. If I was to do a copy on that machine, again, it'll collate the information, that the number of documents that have been copied, and send it back to the server. Now, do we have any solicitors in today? Yep, oh, show of hands, brilliant. This system is very often used to help charge back to your clients. So you can scan back, integrate it with your case management tools or case management software, and charge back to your matter number, your matter numbers for all the copies and prints that are being done for your clients. So when you close the file, you can give them a true cost as to what or the number of prints and copies you've done for them. In the general business term, you can then start to charge back to your different departments. If you're in schools, you can charge back to different faculties. So you can start to monitor and control really who's doing what when you're printing. And the way that's done is by looking at a detailed report. We have a number of products within our portfolio of software that enable you to monitor the volumes that are being produced. What I'm showing to you today is a product called Equitrack, and that enables you to look in and see exactly what is being done on the devices. And you can get something in the region of 72 different reports out of the system. So I'm just going to scroll down to the machine, select the device, hit OK. It's now going to show me all of the print jobs that have been done on that printer, who sent it, number of pages, and what the cost have been. Which makes it a bit brotherish, but it regains control back to your business as to who's doing what. A lot of companies now are implementing systems where you're forcing your users, or you're encouraging your users to print duplex, so you're getting less paper wastage, which is great. But how do you know that your customer, or your users, are actually doing it? By implementing solutions like this, it enables you to monitor who's doing what in terms of their printing. And when we talk to companies about rationalising their printers, one of the first things that customers say is, but it's my desktop printer, I must hold on to it because I print confidential information, which is true. But by utilising an authentication card or utilising PIN numbers, you can lock down when your print jobs come out. So if you've got a confidential document that you want to print out, you can send it to the machine, walk up to it, tap in your PIN number, authenticate yourself, and it will then produce the jobs that you're doing. It will also, trying to avoid the speaker, it will also nearly stop this happening, where you take the print jobs coming out, think actually this is what I wanted, and sticking it in your recycling bin. Do many of you have recycling bins in your business? Great for the environment, brilliant, bad for your pocket. To fill one of those up costs about £250 for each of those you fill up in wasted paper and clicks. Okay. And that depends on how much you're paying for each of your click. So by utilising the software, it enables you to monitor who's doing what. It's going to reduce the amount of money that you're throwing away in those devices. We had one company who installed the software, didn't tell their users, because it runs in the background, monitored what kind of volumes are being put through, what kind of documents are being put through. And as you can see here, it tells you the name of the document. And it was amazing. Jamie Oliver just released one of his books online. The number of times people were printing out the Jamie Oliver cookbook in this company was ridiculous, because someone got it and just shared it around, and there was no way of them monitoring it beforehand. Now they can. So they were going back to them saying, just to let you know, we are monitoring your volumes, we know what you are printing, please stop. Their printing costs went down by around 73%. Because people were stopping printing stuff they don't need, which is ridiculous, because they're only actually printing out the jobs on the machine when they get there, rather than just sitting there and keep pressing print because their phone rings, they have a chat with somebody. Did I send it? Don't know. I send it again just in case. I can always throw it away. So it starts to monitor exactly what is being done. How many time was you come to an end. So how well do you know your business? I'm not going to read through that. Just have a read through yourself. Really, a bit of time for you to sit back and have a sip of water before I go on to the next slide. If there's questions there that you're sitting there thinking, really no, really uncomfortable, don't worry. That's why we're going to be here to come onto your companies and really show you how you can manage it in a lot more efficient and effective way. Okay, so what's the next steps? For most of you are already using Easy Copiers at the moment as a partner for your multifunctional devices and printers, which is fantastic, and we hope it's going to carry on for a long, long time. To take advantage of the document workflow solutions that we've demonstrated and the savings that we can show you, really what we need to do is come on board and look at the way you are managing your information. Look at a paper-heavy process within your business and say, how can we improve it? How can we demonstrate to you the £500,000 savings that we showed the company down in London? Okay, that may be a bit excessive. It may not be £500,000. But looking at the distribution side of things that we saw earlier, was it £53,000 we showed them over a 5-year period, looking at one process? We can do the same for you. So what I ask you to do is to speak to your account manager at the end of today and book an appointment for myself or one of my guys to come on board and look at the way you are managing your information. Because if we can do that, then we can start to look at the way you are managing information. We can start to assess the processes. We can put on board a solution that's going to improve the way you are managing your information. Because the whole idea of you being here today was that we can show you how you're going to save your company an extortionate amount of money by utilising these solutions. Questions, and I may answer them. It's time for a break. Thank you very much for listening.